welcome back. So in this video I am going to talk about my 10 crucial lessons that I've learned from my journey of content writing. There is no textbook content here, so this is going to be purely based on my experience. Let's get started. Content writing is the process of planning, writing and editing. Since you're doing it on the web, so it is also called web writing. Being a content writer was a conscious decision. I was not so great with my writing skills, but I was good with my art of expression, and that's how I caught many eyeballs. I used to connect with my readers. I don't have any specific degree in English honors or any writing degree as such, but I still made it, and so can you. Keep watching this video till the end. So the first point is keep it simple and keep it authentic. It's very difficult to create a simple writing, let me tell you this. And also, it's great to enrich your vocab, but if your audience does not understand a thing, if you're making it too complex for them to understand, everything goes in vain. So focus on simple writing and also have your own unique style. And how to create that unique style of yours, like how to actually figure out what's your style, that gets me to my next point, that is discipline. Write every day. Now you will ask me what to write. You can start writing down your thoughts. If you have talent, if you have creativity, but if you are not disciplined, it's not going to work. There are two kinds of people. One who are born with talent and they don't do the hard work. Second are those who are not born with that talent, but they are really hardworking. Don't depend always on the motivation. Motivation works on feelings. And if you trust your feelings, then you can, go with the motivation. People who are disciplined, it's one of the strongest character that a person can have. You have to be a very curious reader. If I find something wonderful, like if I'm reading something and I find it very good, I'll write it down. And then I'll add my own sense to something that is really good to make it even better. You have to be a curious reader. How to research like a pro. So I spend 2 hours every day on whatever topic I'm researching about, and you don't have to consume everything. Internet is filled with content. Being a digital marketer for 5 years, I still write all my notes in a notebook. Because as soon as I pick up a pen, words start flowing. It's such a magic, it's a writer thing. Social media is a very powerful medium, and don't get disheartened by less number of followers. I don't have many followers. I remember a thing like 3 years back, one brand told me that they want to collaborate with me. It was a very renowned brand. I got cynical about it and I asked them, why are you giving me your products, because I don't have many followers. So they said, don't blame the player, blame the game. So Instagram, I know Instagram is all about numbers game, but engagement is far more important than numbers. If you're putting out good content, you are going to get good business. Influencer is not the one who has X amount of followers, 10k followers and 300, 400 views on your video. You can't fool your audience. Don't fall in the number game trap. It's all about putting good content out there. Absolutely. So writing a journal is different from writing for web. You need to learn a lot of skills, like how to write for Google, how Google and other search engines work, and how the content marketing is done, how the ads are run. There is so much you need to learn as a content writer, and cost cutting is not always effective for your career, guys. Investment in learning never goes waste. After completing your content writing course, you can also join an internship or a job in any good company. So what I've learned from my internships and jobs, number one, how to work in deadlines. No matter how great a writer you are, if you're not completing your work on time, you'll be screwed. And second, the power of networking. I have learned how to build good network because I have always had cordial relations with my colleagues, and I'm still in touch with few of them. They still help me in getting the new projects. So you should go out, go attend the seminars, go attend the online webinars. So don't be clingy to people, keep it professional and stay humble. Number 8, create a blog or a website. You can create a blog for free on WordPress or Blogspot. Here I'm teaching you how to create a blog for free. So let's make it on Blogger. This is a self-hosted platform by Google. blogger sign up. Click on the first option. You'll search it on Google. Now just give it a display name of your blog, whatever name you want to keep it. This is how it looks like. And now just give your title name, Create with Shefali, the same domain name, whatever you want to keep it for your blog. And we'll also type the address createwithshefali.blogspot.com, because since this is a self-hosted platform, you're not going to get .com.in. So this is available. Let's go for it. Sometimes, it takes some time, so just keep on experimenting. We can select one theme. I'm randomly selecting one theme. Congratulations, this is how you make a blog. It's super easy, right? Create a new post. So you are going to give a title for your blog. I'm giving how to become a content writer. Let's do it. See, I am going to make a separate video for customization and everything, because it takes some time. It is easy, don't worry, but it's a long process, so we'll make another video for this. This is a body of your blog and you're going to publish it this way. Easy, right? These are all the options for customization. We'll go in the settings and let's see. Yeah, description, title. You have to do the customization, because this is how you will appear in the search engine. You cannot appear in the search engine without doing the SEO part. So it's very important. Now let's make a free blog on wordpress.com. This is also a self-hosted platform by WordPress. Start your website. Let's get started. You can sign up with your email address quickly. Choose a password. Let's do it. So type the domain name. I am doing it the same, Create with Shefali. Yeah, so this is available. They are also showing the paid options for .com or .in, because but now you're going it for the free one, so you won't get that. These are also the paid ones, so I'll make a separate video for the paid ones, how to create a paid website. Let's go with the free one as of now. Start with the free site. Just click on this. Yeah, these are all the paid options if you want a paid hosting, because it is going to give you many benefits. So we have entered the setup. This is our setup, and this is how you're going to customize. These are all the options. Super easy. Again, add the title of your blog. You can just skip these. How to become a content writer. This is the title of your blog post. There are many options. Yeah, I will make a separate video, don't worry. I'm just showing you quickly how to create a blog. Customization part, we'll do it later. These are the design options, theme options, everything is given here. They have decent themes, so just to make it look better, you can select any random theme. I'm selecting randomly, so this looks nice, not bad at all. This is how your blog is going to look like. So it was a quick, easy process to create a blog. Customization part, we'll do it in some separate video. It takes half an hour, like just half an hour to customize your website. Start blogging every day. Blogging is a great way to start, like one step would lead to another. So pick up a niche of your choice. You should have enough knowledge and you should be passionate about what you're talking, so you'll be able to connect with your readers very well. SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's such an important skill for a content writer, marketer, digital marketer. So if you're writing for a web and you want to reach the wider audience, then you have to learn this skill. Let me give you an example. So here I'm searching how to spend time in lockdown on Google. So the results that you will see on the first page, these websites have done their SEO. That's why they are on the first page. So it's very, very important to learn search engine optimization. The last point is trust the process. I think this is my favorite line in every video, but it works. These were the 10 crucial lessons that I learned in my journey. So if you want to know about the whole journey, then you can buy my book. Yes, I am proudly self-promoting my book. So I'll leave the link in the description box down below, and leave your comments if you like this video. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.